Let's play the riddles game. Ang balong malalim, punong-puno ng patalim.
Veins,
No. Answer is mouth.
mouth,
Bibig. Okay. Dalawang batong maitim. Malayo ang dinarating.
poop.
No. Eyes.
Eyes?
Yes.
Oh,
Two
eye.
black stones. Ayan, no? Pupil, no?
Oh, yes.
Dalawang balon, hindi malingon.
Our ears.
Very good. 1 point.
Again.
Dalawa kong kahon, buksan walang ubong.
I think it's like when you're pooping and then you have to open your
No, it's eyes.
eye,
Boyfriend, 5 puno ang niyog, isa'y matayog.
fingers.
Very good.
Because I
Nice.
noticed
2
that this
points na.
finger is the longest
Aha.
one.
Hindi hayop, hindi tao, pumupulupot sa tiyan mo.
Pancreas?
No,
Oh.
belt. Sabi ko, it's a thing. Belt. Maliit pa si kumpare, nakakaakyat na sa tore.
Grasshopper?
No, and
And
gusto mong tumagal pa ang aking buhay, kailangan ako ay mamatay.
candle.
Yeah, very good. Ako'y may kaibigan kasama ko kahit saan.
God.
Yeah, I know God is with you no matter what you do.